Welcome back. In this video, I will discuss foods that influence DNA repair in cancer and aging. First is berry juices. Red and dark colored berries, including red grape, blackberry, sour cherry, blackcurrant, and chokeberry, contain many bioactives, including anthocyanin and other polyphenols with antioxidant effects. Research in Germany showed that drinking mixed berry juice significantly increases DNA protection by 66%. Number 2. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi contain high levels of vitamin C, chlorogenic acid, and quinic acid that each have antioxidant effects. Research in Scotland showed that eating 3 fruits per day reduced DNA damage by approximately 60% and increased DNA repair activity by 66%. Number 3 is carrots. Carrots are rich in bioactives called carotenoids, which are powerhouses when it comes to antioxidant activity. United Kingdom researchers found that after 3 weeks of eating boiled carrots, subjects' blood exhibited an increase in the DNA repair activity. Number 4 is broccoli. The researchers in Italy and Denmark showed that eating steamed 1.3 cups of cooked vegetable per day for 10 days led to a 23% decrease in the DNA breakage in the blood of cigarette smokers. Number 5. Lycopene-rich foods, which include tomato, watermelon, guava, and pink grapefruit. A study in Poland showed that if the blood cells were exposed to lycopene 1 hour before or just immediately before radiation exposure, the DNA damage is significantly reduced. Lycopene is also protective against DNA damage caused by the bacterium Helicobacter pylori, which can cause gastritis, stomach ulcer, and even stomach cancer. Korea and Japan researchers found that lycopene decreases the stomach cell DNA damage by almost 40%. Number 6. Seafoods. Now, in addition to their anti-angiogenic benefits, polyunsaturated fats, that is omega-3 polyunsaturated fats from the seafood, can protect your DNA. Top sources of marine omega-3 polyunsaturated fats are hake, which is a white-fleshed fish in the cod family, salmon, sea cucumber, which is related to starfish, manila clams and cockles, tuna, yellowtail, and botarga. Now, cancers with stable DNA are called MSS, that is microsatellite stable, while those with high DNA instability are called microsatellite instability high, MSIH, which is more dangerous. Now, USA researchers found that a high intake of marine omega-3 polyunsaturated fats was associated with a 46% reduced risk of the more aggressive MSI-H colon cancer compared to those with low intake of omega-3 polyunsaturated fats. High daily intake is equivalent to amount of healthy fat you would find in 3.5 ounces of fish, a serving size roughly the size of a deck of cards. These data showed that eating food rich in omega-3 polyunsaturated fats not only reduces DNA damage through their antioxidant effects, but also can help improve the body's ability to repair the DNA. Number 7. Pacific oysters. Oyster meat has high amount of amino acid taurine, which protect DNA against the free radical damage. It also contains the amino acid cysteine and bioactive peptides that create a powerful antioxidant called glutathione. Researchers in France and Philadelphia showed that eating the oyster extract led to a whopping 90% reduction of DNA damage. The oyster extract also raised the blood level of the protective antioxidant glutathione by 50%. Next is soy. In addition to its anti-angiogenic cancer-starving effects, soy can suppress breast cancer by epigenetically activating a tumor suppressor gene, which is called retinoic acid receptor B2, that is RARB2 gene. Now, tumor suppressor genes serve as a guardian of the genome to prevent the cancer development. Now, researchers in Missouri and Iowa found that after consuming soy bioactives isoflavones, the RARB2 tumor suppressor gene is turned on. This means that eating soy causes more tumor suppression and greater protection against the cancer growth. Next is cruciferous vegetables. Bok choy, kale, cabbage, and broccoli all contain the bioactive sulforaphane. Now, scientists in Norwich, United Kingdom found that when colon cancer cells are exposed to sulforaphane, 63 genes in the cancer are reduced in their activity by half. Other studies have shown that sulforaphanes in cruciferous vegetables cause an epigenetic increase in the activity of tumor suppressor genes, which activate a hardwired defense against the cancer. Next is coffee. Coffee beans contain polyphenols, chlorogenic and caffeic acid that epigenetically turn on the tumor suppressor gene RARB2. Now, scientists in South Carolina have documented that these polyphenols can change the breast cancer cells so that the tumor suppressors in the DNA are unleashed and preventing the ability for cancers to grow. Next is green tea. The major bioactive in the green tea called epigallocatechin gallate cause epigenetic changes that amplify the influence of the tumor suppressor genes, thus dampening the ability for cancer to form. Green tea also increases production of a natural antioxidant enzyme called glutathione S transferase, which further protects DNA by neutralizing the free radicals. Number 12 is turmeric. The main bioactive in turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin causes many beneficial epigenetic effects that increases the activity of tumor suppressor genes, which counter the growth of colon cancer and leukemia. Curcumin also reduces blood vessel inflammation and help grow neurons in the brain. Next is herbs. Many popular herbs including basil, marjoram, sage, thyme and peppermint contain a bioactive called rosmarinic acid. Now, scientists in Poland examined its epigenetic effects and found that rosmarinic acid prevents the blocking of tumor suppressor gene in the human breast cancer cells. Next is nuts and seeds. Now, telomeres play an important role in protecting DNA by shielding the ends of the chromosomes from damage. Now, telomeres naturally shorten with age, like a fuse burning down. So, any action that can help them stay longer will help protect DNA and combat aging. Now, normally telomeres shrink by 15.4 base pairs per year. Now, a USA survey showed that eating nuts or seeds increased telomere length by 8.5 units per 10 grams consumed. Researchers calculated that for every half a handful of nuts or seeds eaten per day, there would be approximately a 1.5-year slowing of the cellular aging. Now, DNA damage is found in many serious diseases, including every type of cancer. Skin cancer is perhaps the most common, which is caused by solar ultraviolet radiation that damages the DNA in every bit of exposed skin. Other cancers are linked with occupational, environmental, and dietary exposure, in which DNA becomes repeatedly damaged in specific organs. These include cancers of the lung, bladder, esophagus, stomach, and colon, where insults from the air and the diet can alter your DNA. Now, precancerous lesions such as colon polyps, cervical intraepithelial neoplasia, and actinic keratosis, a precursor to the skin cancer, all are filled with cells that contain damaged DNA in need of repair. In addition, autoimmune diseases also cause DNA damage, not only in the organs that are affected by an overactive immune system, but even in the white blood cells circulating in their bloodstream. This has been seen in people with lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, celiac disease, and inflammatory bowel disease like Crohn disease and ulcerative colitis. DNA repair also play a remarkable role in other diseases like schizophrenia, autism spectrum disorder, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, major depression, and atherosclerosis. Clearly, there is a huge range of health threats where DNA protection could prove useful. A mindful diet containing foods with DNA protecting properties could boost your health defenses. I hope you liked the video. Thank you and please subscribe.